Hey there, this is Abel, the Controls Freak, doing my first in-camera appearance. Unfortunately, this wasn't the video posting I was hoping for, but since the in-the-vehicle camera shots are, I guess, being seen on YouTube, I figured I'd throw one in for good measure. Essentially, the original video I had planned for you guys was going to tell you all about how there's many more options in the controls and automation field besides doing HVAC, which honestly is what gets me excited about doing controls, is anything other than just the normal straight up air conditioning type stuff. However, I did make a mistake on my part. In the background I had a logo and talked about a customer of my full-time employer, and obviously that was a no-no, and that was a bad point on me. So one of the things that led into, though, is to kind of answer some other people's questions that I get lots of emails about. Why is it that it's so hard to find information on the internet or get training to do automation controls, HVAC controls? Well, that lies to the second part. The second part is things like intellectual property and non-disclosure agreements. So one of the things that came up in my situation, and possibly in other people's, is that it's difficult to dish out information that at some point you could profit from or could be considered property of the company you're working for. So let's give an example. I work for a company that, say, represents XYZ controls. Well, if I get on a webcast or I get on a website and I start maybe spouting out the intricacies of programming and so forth of how I programmed XYZ controls for a particular customer, ABC customer, I'm kind of sharing intimate knowledge of something that I shouldn't, and I shouldn't be making money off of it. Now, as much as I love controls and as much as I love doing stuff on the website, honestly, I'm looking to get something out of it other than just sharing something that I'm very passionate about. And as you see, there'll be advertisements on the website that obviously I do make money from. And when I say make money, I mean last month I made $23 last month. So thank you if you clicked on my sponsored ads. I appreciate it, and I'm sure my sponsors appreciate it. It's not exactly I'm going to be the next millionaire. But essentially there was a goal there, that build up a blog that not only educates and informs people of automation and controls, but also, you know, hey, I get compensated for the time that I take off in the evenings and weekends, and you know, come up with new ideas and things to put together. So just want to make this post to say I apologize for not coming out with my normal type of information, and that I'm definitely going to continue forward because I got lots of response from you guys as far as what I'm putting together is really cool and you enjoy it. So definitely I'm gonna find ways to get around all the legal mumbo jumbo and continue to produce good content that will definitely help you guys in your existing jobs and careers, or if you're looking to get into the industry, that will really pump you up and say, you know what, I need to go apply for these jobs that I know just enough to get my foot in the door and get a career started. So definitely it's not the end of the Controls Freak. Coming back with a vengeance, trying to pump out as much generic information about controls as I can without disseminating too much of the inside knowledge that you're going to have to get on your own as you get out on the job site and you start your career in the controls and automation industry. So I'm Abel, the Controls Freak. I appreciate you visiting my blog. I definitely value your input. Make sure when you read my articles and videos that you rate it, like it, and comment on it. I appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.